Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more interesting videos on microservices using Python. We have gone through few videos on microservices such as introduction to microservices, then we have seen using get request and using post request. Today's video is really interesting. It is about a new topic, that is get, that is a path parameter by get by id and by type. So let us go to the first part. We will go to path by id. Here we can go through the program. It is by id. Now I will execute the program. Yes. Yes, id Sam is there, so fine. Now I will execute another part. By type here by type we will see it is mostly taking integer values. Yes, fine. Yes, I did too. Or if I take here another string, it will not accept. It will flash an integer, that input should be an integer enable. So I successfully done with path parameter in microservices. I will be exploring more and more videos on microservices. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning, microservices, web development, natural language processing, if possible Streamlit, attendance system, then face recognition in different style. Then most probably I will be trying to focus videos new on machine learning with something new idea. So I hope you like this video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.